Please take a moment to explore this presentation tour. This property is represented by Anne-Marie Chiricino. There are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in this spacious home. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Anne-Marie Chiricino at 718-835-4700. That's 718-835-4700. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.